Welcome to Duane Reed Gallery, where we have 3 great exhibitions on view right now. We have a group exhibition containing over 100 works by over 60 individual artists. We have a solo exhibition by ceramic artist Sasha Koozel Reibstein and an installation project by Barnett and son Smith-Foret as a collaborative piece. The main exhibition we have on display is a 60-person group exhibition where each artist was invited to produce a piece in either sculpture or 2D format conforming to the dimensions of 14 by 14 inches. The idea with those parameters was to create a uniform grid-like installation that would be visually overwhelming and engaging for the viewer. We reached out primarily to artists in the immediate region to really engage the local St. Louis arts community and to give those artists a chance to be seen in an environment where there will be lots of people in attendance. We have a variety of artworks including painters, mixed media works, textiles, ceramic, and really everything in between as well. We purposefully invited a wide range of individual artists working in a wide array of different styles and medias. We wanted to create an immersive installation for the viewer that included both 2D and sculpture work. We're a very sculpture-focused gallery, so we didn't want to neglect that side of our program, and it also allowed for us to reach a wide audience in the St. Louis region. As you enter into the gallery, you are greeted by a collaborative installation sculpture by Barnett and son Smith-Foret.
This piece is about 9 feet high, 16 feet long. It's a very large-scale structure piece, and it was based on the same design of the Fibonacci spiral that you see in a nautilus. So you can actually get into it, walk around it. It's actually an installation piece for people to come and actually experience that whole shape and the idea of that this form is basically throughout the cosmos and as small as seashells on the seashore.
And it's a unique collaboration at this scale. For 2 artists to come together and come up with a piece like this is unusual. We find it very rewarding, and it's a great piece to take pictures through and in, because you can walk all the way around it on the outside and into the inside of the piece. So it's a great photo op piece.
We are really excited to have this ambitious installation project on view. And also, in addition to that work, we have other individual artworks by son Smith-Foret on view throughout the main gallery. The final exhibition on view in our second gallery is a solo exhibition by California-based ceramic artist Sasha Koozel Reibstein. Sasha's work focuses on time and environment and landscapes and juxtaposing hard and soft materials, as well as use of high-quality gold luster glazes, platinum, and mother of pearl to embellish these ceramic sculptures. This is Sasha's first full solo exhibition at Duane Reed Gallery. Our previous exhibitions of her work have been small focuses and pop-up exhibitions that have highlighted her recent material. We are very excited to be hosting Sasha's first full solo exhibition for Duane Reed Gallery. These exhibitions are on view until Saturday, August 6th, and more information can be found on DuaneReedGallery.com.